This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin R10 to an iPad. First, make sure your Garmin R10 is fully charged, which typically takes about 2 hours for a complete charge. Next, download the Garmin Golf app from the App Store onto your iPad. Finally, place your Garmin R10 on a stable, flat surface, ensuring it is level and ready for use. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth setup. Now, let's pair your devices. Begin by turning on your Garmin R10. Simply press and hold the power button until the indicator light illuminates. Then, open the Garmin Golf app on your iPad. Within the app, locate and tap on the Devices section. From there, select Add Device and choose your Garmin R10 from the available list to initiate the Bluetooth connection. This process usually takes only a few moments. Proper placement and calibration are key for accurate data. Position your Garmin R10 at least 7 feet behind the ball, directly in line with your target. It is essential to ensure the device is perfectly level with the hitting surface. You can use the included phone mount as a guide. Finally, open the Garmin Golf app and follow the on-screen prompts to calibrate the device, ensuring precise measurements for your swing. To ensure a seamless experience, here are some troubleshooting tips and best practices. Always keep your iPad and Garmin R10 within 10 feet of each other to maintain a strong, stable connection. If you experience any connection issues, try restarting both your iPad and the R10 device. Additionally, regularly update the Garmin Golf app and your R10's firmware to benefit from the latest features and performance enhancements. Enjoy your game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.